Gambut, the source of biodiversity and prosperity, but fuel for fires. Indonesia is known for its natural richness. Remarkable wetlands can be found across the archipelago. These wetlands are composed of trunks and the remains of tropical plants, sealed away for thousands of years under a layer of water. But not all the peat is sealed away anymore. To give one example, the Mega Rice project in Kalimantan. In this project, but also in many others, the water table has been lowered to create possibilities for agricultural production. These changes have important consequences. First of all, drained peat will dry, then decompose, rot. When it rots, part of the peat becomes a gas, a greenhouse gas, heating the earth. Secondly, the now dry peat is highly flammable, can easily start to burn. That is why the years 1997 and 2015 will not be easily forgotten by Indonesians. In these years, large fires raged across the islands of Sumatra and Kalimantan. To put this grief into numbers, the fires of 2015 caused economic damage of $60 billion and school closures for 5 million students. It also led to an estimated 100,300 premature deaths. The Indonesian government realized that something needed to change. Across the Indonesian peat areas, canals have been blocked. In this way, the water table should rise again. If the water table rises, the peat will be wet again, and fires and decomposition will be prevented. This is a good development. While the newspapers are full of the fires of the Amazonia and the climate crisis, it is good to realize that peat also stores a major part of carbon. In 2019, the fires in the Indonesian peatlands emitted twice as much greenhouse gases as the fires in the Amazon. As a research assistant, I walked through the canals of the tropical peatlands, felt the gambut with my fingers, and saw the destruction of the tropical peatlands. Till this date, 1837 canals are blocked to make these fires something of the past. But until that time, we need to realize that tropical peatlands need to be researched, restored, but most of all, revered.